DADISICK Security Door Lock Safety Door Switch XW3 Dimensions 152×36×37.9 mm Shell Material PA66 Flame Retardant Contact Materials Coated with Gold Silver Alloy Equipped with indicator lights and unlocking function Protection Level IP55 Waterproof Does not freeze below -20 to 60 degrees 7 types of operating keys are available for selection Tensile strength of 1300 and when locked, the separating force is greater than or equal to 60 N. The forced separation distance is greater than or equal to 10 millimeters. The service life of the machinery exceeds 1 million times. Electrical appliances exceed 15,000 times. Safety interlock switch. For cases where access needs to be restricted, or various applications to prevent accidental activation, it is a way of preventing accidents or unauthorized access. Use specific machines, mechanisms for devices or systems to enhance security. The on-site robot is carrying out tasks. Open the sliding key. The robot stops moving when the power is cut off. Turn off the sliding key. Only robots can be powered on to operate.